It's pollen season. How's your hay fever? This is going to be one of those TikTok made me buy it videos. Hi, my name is Angela, and I am into everything homeopathy. Typically in homeopathy, we like to find one remedy that works for your particular symptom. That can be a little tricky, so fortunately there is this remedy. It's called the Rhine Allergy from Brian that is likely to work for your hay fever. I just recommended it for my cleaning lady who said her allergies were so bad she couldn't sleep. She said after taking the remedy she was so much better. It's a combination of 5 different remedies, so if someone in your house presents allergies a little differently than you, it's likely that this combination remedy will work for both of you. You can pick it up at CVS or Walmart. It's non-drowsy, non-habit forming, and unlike steroids, which might suppress your allergies, homeopathy's goal is to actually help your body heal, so potentially you can uproot the issue. There's even a kid's version, and I would feel comfortable giving this to my kid at any age. Now, if this doesn't work for you, let me know, and maybe we can work on finding a better remedy.